those of you listening at home, let's take a walk down memory lane.
Remember the days we set out together with faith. Remember the times so fine when we thought nothing could stand in our way.
When things weren't the same, I that we knew how to change.
The struggles, the dark storms, we thought we could Through many years gone by, we moved ahead together. We've built a brave new world where we could shine and grow. Oh, now we only have to look towards tomorrow to carry on the dream as far as it will go.
So now we look around and we see
Oh, a nation built with love by you and me.
a landed treasure right down to the core. Our home, our heart, our soul.
To our people of the future, we built it for the ones that dream. Hand in hand we'll make our land our home, the place to be. From young to grown up, stories unfold. Moments like these we spend, words that last forever, words that come together to show that we're all the same. We break the chains to make a change. Burn bright, our relaxing flame.
And amazing as it seems, it all started with a dream.
But the dreaming isn't done, 'cause the best is yet to come.
Deep in my heart, I just know right from the start we will grow. Look where we are, we've come so far. There's still a long way to go. With all of my heart, I will live. I'll play my part. I will share with family and friends. Together we'll stand, and in the end, hand in hand, we will get there.
How do I reach for the skies if I'm feeling low? Don't know where to go. How do I stand when it's time, when spirits are high and flags are flying? But then I come to the river that runs through my town, where our fathers and mothers have watered the ground. And the roads I have walked and the faces I know, oh I know, I know. If we just look to each other, then this house will feel like home. And the more we're together, the further we'll go. You and I, we're not alone, not alone.
You and I, we're
sound of the faces I know. Oh, I know. I know. If we just